Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're going to use the Instant Vortex to make some easy, delicious chicken wings. And we're not going to use the trays, we're going to use the rotisserie basket. So are you ready? Good! Let's get started. So what I have is 2 pounds of chicken wingettes, and for the sauce, I'm going to use Frank's hot sauce, a little bit of honey, and some melted butter. After we're done cooking, we're just going to toss it in that sauce, and you're good to go. You can use any sauce you want, or don't use any and just have naked wings. But we're going to go with a sweet buffalo sauce. As we found out with the rotisserie basket, give it a quick spray of some Pam. Sure makes cleanup a lot easier. Next, we're going to drop the wingettes right in the basket. There we go, all 2 pounds right in the basket. Next, put your lid on, and it locks into place. Now, let's preheat the Instant Vortex. You're going to hit AirFry, 360, and since we're cooking for 25 minutes, go ahead and put it at 25 minutes. It'll preheat and then count down. Start. As you can see, it says add food. So guess what? Add the food. Next, place a rotisserie basket right into your unit. And then you pull the little red lever. That way it locks into place back there. And now it's started at 360 and starts counting down from 25 minutes. And hit rotate. I'm going to turn the light on just so you can see it rotating in there. Alright, the timer's gone off. Let's check that chicken. So the timer went off and I checked the chicken. It was at 167 degrees. Perfect. So now I'm going to air fry at 400 degrees for 4 minutes. You know, just to give it a little crunch. So while we're waiting for that chicken to get done, take 1 tablespoon of butter, put it in a microwave-safe bowl, and melt it. While that's melting and that's cooking, you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of Frank's hot sauce and put it in a bowl with a tablespoon of honey. Butter's melted, chicken's almost done. Add that butter to the sauce. Let's mix it up, and then we're going to dump the chicken in the bowl, toss it with the sauce, and eat it. Alright, the timer went off. Let's take out that rotisserie basket. Not with mitts, with your fetch. Push the red button, pull it out. Look at that, that's so much easier. Alright, remember the basket's super hot, so this is where you do need mitts. Unlock the top. Drop those right in the bowl. Now you simply toss the wings in there. Get them all nice and coated. So now, go cut up some celery, get you some baby carrots, go get your favorite dressing. I'm using Ken's blue cheese. You use ranch, whatever kind you like. A little of that in there. Throw some of those carrots on there. Throw your carrots everywhere. Throw your celery on there. Give that one more stir and find your favorite kind of wings, the drumettes, the wingettes, whatever ets you like. Look, you still have plenty of wings left. And check that out. And now the most important part. How does it taste? Oh, super tender, a little crunch on the outside, the sweet heat from that sauce we made. Forget Buffalo Wild Wings or Hooters or any of those places. Man, just make it at home. This is the best. Oh, this is so good. Let's put a little sauce on there. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.